In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review your Vive Financial account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for the most important details, how to verify your statements, and how to get help if something doesn't seem right. To start, sign into your account online using the official Vive Financial website. Open a secure browser, type the address directly, and consider bookmarking it so you always land on the correct page. Enter your login details and complete any security verification that appears. If you're on a shared device, choose not to save your credentials and plan to log out when you're done for extra safety. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard or account summary. This page gives you a quick snapshot, your current balance, available credit, payment due date, and minimum payment. You'll also see recent transactions. Take a moment to compare your due date with your calendar and set a reminder so you're never late. If you see any charge you don't recognize, click into it for more details, such as the date, merchant, or pending status. If you use scheduled or automatic payments, confirm the amount and date are correct here as well. Next, open the Statements section to review your monthly statements. Pick a recent billing cycle and open or download the PDF. Scan the summary for your previous balance, payments received, purchases, fees, and interest charges, then scroll through the transaction list to make sure every charge is legitimate and the amounts match your receipts. Look for credits or refunds you're expecting, and verify that returns have posted. It's also helpful to compare the statement's ending balance with what you see in the account summary, keeping in mind that recent activity may not be reflected on the statement yet. If your account includes promotional or deferred interest offers, check any expiration dates so you know when standard interest would apply. If you prefer checking on the go, use the official mobile app. After signing in, you can see your balance and due date at a glance, review transactions, and access statements. Consider enabling push notifications for payment reminders and unusual activity, and make sure you have a screen lock on your device to protect your account. If anything looks off, contact support. Use the secure message center in your account or the number listed on the back of your card. Have basic details ready and ask for a case or reference number for your records. Avoid sharing full sensitive information over unsecured channels. Make it a habit to review your account weekly and again before your due date. When you're finished, log out, especially on shared or public devices.